Hey honeycrunchers, welcome back! Today's nail art will be a shimmery spiral swirls. And now let's get started. I used a white base because I'll be doing a gradient. Then I applied oil around the skin of my nails for an easier cleanup. Then let's do the gradient. After doing the gradient, I applied a shimmery top coat. Then let that dry, and I also applied a liquid latex barrier on the skin around my nails because I'm gonna be stamping this design next. Then let's apply a top coat. And there you have it. If you liked today's nail art, make sure to hit like and please don't forget to subscribe. And also share this video to your friends. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!